Christmas light?
Why maybe?
We're gonna draw a Christmas light.
Welcome back to Kids Fun Dance Club.
Yeah.
This is an amazing place where you get to learn some what? What do you get to learn?
Something with drawing,
And
experiments.
see the camera.
So you get to learn your experiments.
See the camera. Don't see the sky.
The sky is not there.
You need to talk to your friends.
That's camera.
Okay. So today we are going to draw some Christmas lights.
Yeah.
You love them, right? And you use them to decorate your homes, right? So let's get started with the drawing of some Christmas lights. Follow me. Okay, so this is gonna be fun. We start with one. Okay? And then we make another one. You know what this is?
No.
And then we make one more.
Are we making 3?
We are gonna make 4. And then we make one more. So what are these? These are the bulb holders. So this is how your Christmas light looks like, right? Now a circular one. And then another one. And then yet another circular one. And then what do? We tie them all with the wire. Right, Pariksha?
Yeah.
Like this. Like this. Okay.
Look, that do you know I start by going to the plug?
To the plug?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we'll be making the plug also. No, we're not. Okay. Let's make a plug also.
What? I don't have faith.
Yes. Right? And then we add some smileys to the bar lights. This is done. Let us quickly make these lights colorful with a lot of colors.
Look at it.
Wow, that's beautiful. Let's quickly color them with green, red, blue, purple, pink, whatever color you want them to be in. Done. We are done with this amazing drawing of Christmas holiday lights that you will be using or you are already using at your home to decorate your
And
Christmas
look,
tree.
a little bit, a little more.
Yes.
And look, the happy stuff.
If you like this drawing, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. And
Bye-bye and have a great day.
ask them to share their drawings.
Share your drawings if you want some goodie from me.
How do they share? They share their drawing on Instagram.
Yeah.
What do they do?
You have to hashtag kids fun and club. Club.
And hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club and @Kids Fun Learn Club. These are the two things that you need to make sure that you tag us so that we get to know that you followed us, used our drawing so that we can choose you for these amazing goodies. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.